How to add a snap to your story. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add a snap to your story. So to do that, first of all, open your Snapchat app. Now, make sure you are logged into your Snapchat account, and now once you are logged in order to add a snap to your story, all you have to do is simply capture the snap which you want to put in your story. Now once you've captured the snap, you can edit the snap to however you want. You can add different stickers, you can mention someone, you can add your location, topic, poll, etc. You can add all of these different stickers, and if you want you can also draw over here. Now you can also add some music just by tapping the option right over here, and there are all sorts of different options like this. Now once you're okay with the snap you want to post to your story, in order to add it to your story, all you have to do is tap on this little icon on the bottom side of the screen where it says story. So simply tap on it, and then it'll ask you whether you really want to add to your story. So if you add to your story, your friends will be able to view your snap for unlimited number of time for 24 hours. So once you're okay with that, simply tap on add, and then that snap will be successfully added to your story. So that is basically how you add a snap to your story. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.